Because we are going.
Hello everyone, this is your guard speaking. Welcome aboard your Southwest train service to Hounslow via Brentford today. Just a quick reminder to please do keep all of your things.
How long does this take? Half an hour. We've had Clapham Junction and all this.
You said them beers straight away. At the moment, I am in car number 3.
Every station you said, Tom.
Yeah. Yes. No, getting trains quicker than this way.
Thank you. I do also have a ticket machine with me, so if anyone does need a ticket when they travel.
Hello guys, I'm Ollie and I'm doing the trips for Brentford. So hope you enjoy.
Right, when to my say stop? Alright.
You said a minute and a half, so we've only just done short 4 seconds.
Waterloo to Brentford. Or next stop, Vauxhall.
Well, that's where we went way back.
Yeah, but it's Victoria line. Ain't gorgeous this. How long now, Dill?
Just short of 1 minute 10. I'll stop it at 1 minute 30.
Yeah. No, this platform here, that's where your side used to go from. Yeah.
You're from here. You still.
Yeah, now it's St Pancras. I can see. Oh, that's not it.
What did you say?
How long now?
About 28 minutes.
That's it, though. Wait till the next stop is Vauxhall. Arriving in to Vauxhall, and then I'll stop till for a bit.
That beer that you do wear.
No.
Is that London Eye there?
What?
London Eye.
Here, because we're near Westminster. Raw.
Oh yeah. And they're not nice looking. Christmas.
This local.
The next station is Vauxhall. Passengers wishing to leave the train at the next station must be in the front 11 coaches.
Dan? This coach is not open. Only 11 coaches.
There's only 8 coaches. Tom, there's only 8 coaches.
Only 4 coaches. So,
I'm not recording, Tom.
let me tell you when I see a station going around bend, I can start filming.
The next station is Vauxhall. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform end.
I can see it now. I can start filming. Dan, that's 3 minutes extra from here to Vauxhall.
Right. Yeah, but it's that extra time we spent on tube, but all when we would have had a direct route, Tom. Don't matter.
Dan,
What?
Vauxhall now. This 4 coaches are not allowed to open.
Right.
Is it in? Later on, I am going to Vauxhall to get us tube here, which is only 1 line run from here. So that's where the helicopter crash here once. Turn it round as well. Film sign as well. Oh, that's it. They'll wait till next stop now. No.
I've
Cool.
stopped it.
He said it.
Lost it.
This is Vauxhall. This train is for Hounslow via Brentford. The next station is Queenstown Road.
I thought it was Brentford from Chelsea.
How long is it, Chult, from here, Lee? Chult station.
That's that.
That's 3 minutes extra from Waterloo, that, Lee. Go on this so we can get seats better. What?
Brighton's ground down to Tom.
What?
Brighton's ground.
Didn't know it in.
Quite central, isn't it?
Millwall.
No, it in.
Yeah. Big building.
No.
Building covered in Brentford.
Joo. 2 meiltä. Ollaan siinä.
Imagine working at the top of that building.
Ja sekin on aika uusi varmaan se rakennus, se mikä siinä hotelliin.
Yeah, another station top.
Not, when an announcement comes out,
Onko lisää sitten ruokana?
The next station is Queenstown Road. Passengers wishing to leave the train at the next station must be in the front 10 coaches. The next station is Queenstown Road. Please mind the step down from the train to the
Mind the
platform.
gap, please.
don't film yet, tool station.
What is that?
Power station.
Sehän olisi ihan suppu se bussin poistuminen. Ei, se siinä on joku eri syy.
Start filming then, Dill.
Tää.
Dylan, start filming. We're at station now.
Been recording for the last 40 seconds.
We're going to build ground, weren't we, around them 4 pillars?
Film sign as well. Well, next sign. Film sign, please, at video. Now, if you click this,
Stop. Bossing.
pause it before you've done it. Let me show you it's done it, yeah. When it's leave, press it, press that middle button.
It's not daft, he knows.
That
I don't.
needs to practice.
So when I want to resume recording, click that.
Yeah, like listen to. But,
This is Queenstown Road. This train is for Hounslow via Brentford. The next station is Clapham Junction.
I think we're going again now, Dill. So can you turn it back round? Because we're going, Dill. No, Dill, please, today. No.
Bottom left hand side at start.
Right, press it, Dill. Have we done it?
So where are we sat? I'm still confused.
Row C.
If will there be other Rotherham fans round us?
Yeah, number 30.
Dan. No, that's why them trains up there. Over there, that's another Victoria station.
Oh no, then they'll release another 30.
Still.
They make it about 60.
Dill, turn it off now. Just put it off now. Till next station. Cool.
So there'll be us and 30 and they'll make rest of them stood
No,
up.
other than 60.
And then they'll make rest stood up.
Yeah.
We're on row C anyway, near bottom.
I think I know where we're sat.
Near
Might
plays
be on
out.
that side or that side, one or two.
Dan. Dan.
Well,
Probably seeing the TV shop again.
I need something to eat in ground. Where we're gonna be where Brentford fans are. So I know.
probably.
You know where that stand is, where there's like 2 tiers. What I think they're gonna do is they're gonna sanction like a bit
Hey,
of that
Dad.
and then give that to us.
Hey, Dad.
No, we're on side. Definitely on side.
Yeah, I know where Brentford fans
Dad.
are.
Guess what next? Clapham Junction next. World biggest station for this day.
Is it?
We'll be filling whenever everything today.
No, it's working.
I think he wants to go to
The next
Brentford.
station is Clapham Junction. Change here for London Victoria, East Croydon, London Gatwick Airport, Brighton, Kensington Olympia and Willesden Junction. Please mind the gap between the train
I can see
and
London
the
Overground
platform edge.
train there, Dan.
Mind the gap, please.
This is Clapham Junction. You can change here for services to East and West Croydon, Gatwick Airport, Brighton. Also services to the southwest of England via
Start now.
Basingstoke, Guildford, Portsmouth,
Don't
etc.
drink we pass through because I can see one coming. Now,
By Shepherd's Bush here at Clapham Junction.
told you I said South and Wild West trains here. Look at that this is a London Overground service to Clapham, Stratford via Highbury and Islington, Shepherd's Bush. There's lots of people stood on that platform over there with police everywhere. Other side up there. Well, look at that, Britain's busiest railway station. Pause it. This is platform 6.
Paused it.
Okay, thanks.
Tom.
Okay. Listen to announcements. This is
Clapham Junction. This train is for Hounslow via Brentford. The next station is Wandsworth Town.
Dan,
Well,
what do you think to this Clapham Junction station, Dan? Look. Now, it's confusing though.
yeah.
Right, start again now. We're about to go. That's all the way on Clapham. There's rugby fans stood. Time to kick off rugby.
I don't know, is it been that evening, I think, Tom? All rest out.
I think they've done that just to get
Ready, Dill?
to get to ground.
Look, Dill.
Rugby's crap anyway.
All the way along platform, really.
The next station is Wandsworth Town. Passengers wishing to leave the train at the next station
That's it.
must be in the front 10 coaches.
Go very fast.
Still in. I've got to sleep.
Very fast at being understatement, isn't it?
Dan, what do we get back to King's Cross? What do we to eat later then, King's Cross?
We'll be having McDonald's, obviously.
Yeah.
The next station is
McDonald's, I'm
Wandsworth
hungry.
Town.
Yeah. I thought I was going to try that kebab chips, so I wouldn't like it.
When we're out like this, you better off sticking to something you know, Tom.
I might get a kebab.
Is there anything you can see around here? What is new, Dan? I've never seen.
No football grounds.
What is this place round here now? I think we're here now.
London, I think.
I'm doing the best deal with stuff. I think it's about 25 minutes to Vauxhall.
25 minutes to Vauxhall.
Coming or back.
What about Brentford?
Brentford to Doncaster, which is Brentford to Vauxhall. Mackie D's there, look. Dill's approaching the station now. Dill, better get camera on quick, because that was a short one, that.
Don't mess about like this on the way back.
Yeah, know it. London. These would have making the Donny work, the Dan. Obviously on roof a lot. Pause still. Wait.
Why do you pause it, Tom?
Because no life you do whatever you want to film when
Need to take a break. You don't want
people to listen.
This is Wandsworth Town. This train is for Hounslow via Brentford. The next station is Putney.
Which is Putney. Look like Putney Bridge. But we're there now, Wimbledon it is. We can film again now, Dill. Good in it, man, camera, Dill, innit?
Ain't it same as your other camera, but different?
Absolutely the same. Wandsworth Town. Time is now is 12:52 and it's been a good journey so far.
That's not good to be there. What time did you get here?
107.
So he doesn't have to leave 10.
That's it. Turn it off till the next one, Dill.
Coach yourself so early.
It takes a lot longer on the road.
What?
Dill.
Takes 2 hours on
Dill.
the train now.
Did you see Coach coming last time, Dill, didn't you?
How long is it on coach?
Dad.
It's at least 3 hours to London, and then you've got inside bit, ain't you?
Dad.
We're talking nearly 4
Dad.
hours.
No, didn't see that half one last time at Brentford. You seen Keith Coach coming in. Can I go and see it?
Depends, it might already be here, don't know.
You might, just depending on what club shop like.
Depends what time did we get to Brentford?
We were early last time.
I'm doing this journey so well so far, but The YouTube bit tomorrow is underground
The next
first.
station is Putney. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Can't see station yet. Can't see no tunnel yet. I can see station now though. I can see it because I was just singing it. We are having it Butsy now. You can film me in now as I say, this is Tom doing his Horton Stars and the blue camera is doing Journey from Waterloo to Brentford. Say that. Come on, you heard me. Here we are. Do you get up here for Wimbledon in it now?
I'm not sure. Yeah.
I don't know.
Bridge. Not there. Quite Queenstown, it don't.
What did you say?
Right, if you want to film me, say this is Tom doing his Horton Star is and the tiny blue camera is.
This is Putney.
This is
train
Journey.
is for Hounslow via Brentford. The next station is Barnes.
This is Thomas Horton, the person's channel you are watching. The orange
His Horton Star is
camera is Horton Diaries, and his little blue camera
is from Waterloo to Brentford, so keep an eye on that, guys, for YouTube. Maybe tomorrow, guys. No, we're going now.
and I'm all around the world gaming. Check
This
out my
is
channel,
football.
you should know who I am.
No, come on, we're leaving. He'll not be coming back though. He'll be maybe talking and what's Fox? No. Oh, Dylan, what's up, Leo? Do it at next one.
I finished.
About.
So, what's up with you?
Lee, what's the matter? Sit down.
Right, can I ask you something? What is the plan when we get to African? What's the plan when we get to Bedford?
Grub shop for me first. Me and Dad need to go.
Flatney's about 6 pints.
I'll have to the grub shop first. Before he gets pints.
Shut on a Saturday on match day.
It is actually. I checked last night. It's always shut on Saturdays.
No, it isn't.
It is. I checked last night, Tom. You can even ask my mum. We looked at it together. She said I needed to tell you today. Sorry, pal.
Yep.
No club shop for you.
Yeah.
The next station is Barnes. Passengers wishing to leave the train at
That's
the
not really
next
much choice in
station
speeding
must
up.
be in the
Gaps
front
between stops, is it?
coaches.
How many more stops, Tom?
Don't know.
This is Barnes.
There's Barnes Bridge. Don't get camera out again.
We get there at 1:07 and it's 55.
Don't get camera out again.
We're not that far away. Oh, headache.
The next station is Barnes. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Mind the gap, please.
Come quite flash it. Looking a lot in shorts and that. Richard Burgers.
Casino station.
Käveltiinkö sen ohi? Sun mukaan se on vasta.
Pause it, Bill. No.
This is Barnes. This train is for Hounslow via Brentford. The next station is Barnes Bridge.
Say hello.
Hello. When in a minute.
Oh dear.
When in a minute.
Big train.
We're going.
We have to travel on them 2 carriages. We have to travel on them 2 carriages.
What?
Come on, trains that come at home with just 2 carriages. It's a joke, isn't it?
What, Dad? What's 2 carriage, Dad?
All trains are 2 carriages, aren't they? Oh,
Mine?
everybody's.
3 sometimes.
Not very often.
Stop filming now. So, are you watching camera? 12:58. Oh my goodness.
The next station is Barnes Bridge. Passengers wishing to leave the train at the next station must be in the front 10 coaches.
Stop filming now. I might not film the next station. Look at that.
The next station is Barnes Bridge.
Don't film me yet because I can't see it. I can see the station but it's further along, so I'll tell you when.
Tuli mine yksin taas Kessoni. Se oli aika läheltä ja siis se oli London Bridge jotenkin.
Approaching it though. I'll not film this one, have a break. Probably next station. Here we are.
Nearly here to what? I think it's next stop.
Time is it? 4 o'clock, go.
This is for next station where the ladies down.
Next stop, Brentford.
Not sure.
How?
Have the next one out, one after.
This is Barnes Bridge. This train is for Hounslow via Brentford. The next station is Chiswick.
Don't film. Its battery's not win. Yeah, is it? No. It's doing well that camera today. Got plugs in there, ain't you, Darren? When I was stood it.
Pass me that once.
That's stop filming that. Till next stop. And here's River.
Where is that then?
Don't know.
It's small here, doesn't it? Yeah, that really got video. That really got video. Time's out, innit? Showing difference here.
We want to get to Brentford.
That's your innit, what kills you.
The next station is Chiswick.
You know you filmed an hour and 56 worth of stuff.
What?
You filmed an hour and 56 worth of stuff.
Why? That's it. How long are you left to film?
What do you mean?
Like, it's an hour and 56 minutes left to film.
What's maximum you can get?
2 hours, 10 minutes. I'm saying for this. Blue one's 4 hours, 12 seconds. Stop videoing. See it. Approaching in. This is Barnes. This train is off. The next stop is Chiswick. Oh, not Chiswick Park, it's Chiswick. This is for next stop stand.
What?
Next one, I reckon. Is it next one still?
Wait and
I
see.
reckon so.
Yeah, it is.
This is Chiswick. This train
How
is
did we get
for
to Brentford?
Hounslow via Brentford. The next station is Kew Bridge.
What this one was then?
Cubridge next.
Is it after that?
Oh no.
Brentford, because I've just remembered.
I'll give up looking.
No. Eikä. No kun en mä olla täällä. Mitäs jos se on sit näin? Sä alat maassa. Seuraavaan periaatteessa se on. Eli seuraava on presidentti. Se on ihan mun mielestä on ei ole. Selvä. Kuunnellaan mitä hän kuuluttaa. Se on sit.
That's it, Dill. Stop it, you want. Stop it, Dill.
I'm gonna have left it on pause.
Chiswick, se on tuolla.
So I've left it on pause.
Why took next one?
I've left it on pause. I didn't record out. I only recorded going into the station, I didn't record out.
Yeah. Dill, you're not going to arrive at Brentford with this camera, we're going to leave it. Next one's Brentford's Club Shop.
No 4 mile an hour.
The next station is Kew Bridge.
Oh dear.
Last video for you, Dill, for this one, and you're not going to arrive at Brentford with this. It's orange camera.
Am I filming at Club Shop or is that you?
Mate. You could do, you normally take picture, you.
I'm filming at Club Shop.
I know you're not. Ground opens at 1:30.
Opens at 1:30.
Ground turnstiles.
It's a bit early there, Tom.
Yeah.
No wait, Thomas.
2 o'clock.
10 past.
No, I said 2 o'clock. It's my birthday, Dan.
No, yesterday.
Birthday yesterday. I know what happens if you start like you did in Birmingham.
Don't say that, please.
Ah well, you won't.
Bad cat. Kew Bridge still. Stop filming if you want, Dill. Nah, Dill, that's enough for
No,
that.
right, straight out.
Dill, stop filming now, you can give it me now.
You need to film departing.
Yeah.
This is Kew Bridge. This train is for Hounslow. The next station is Brentford.
Go on, see ya.
It's when you pop you then. That's how you forgot it.
I feel the chemicals burn.
No, what's
I'm going to give it me, Dill, in a minute.
Need
When
to
you will
film
left here.
departing.
Alright.
So, you told me to. Yeah, I recognise where we are now.
Tom, come on, pop your
Dad, I have to.
You hold one then.
Dad, I have to film, don't forget.
Yeah, but that one can stop in your hand, but get this pocket of this side zipped up.
You didn't really have to film 90% of the trip.
Ah, right, okay. No, that. What that stage for it now, Dad? We've just gone past Kew Bridge.
Yeah.
No, that Brentford's new ground. That's
Yeah.
going to be Kew Bridge.
We've got 2 in there.
How many get on this train have to get?
But this one's folded, I don't forget.
We didn't get on it last time, did we?
Oh no.
Somebody sent us a lady. How far?
We're like 2.5.
We're ready, alright, Dad.
The next station is Brentford. Passengers wish to
Come on, then, let's go.
at the next station must be in the front 10 coaches.
Come on.
The next
I think
station
that's
is
gone.
Brentford.
I had to get to Brentford's ground, so. I do. Just follow me.
I follow you.
First thing doing is having a drink, Thomas.
I want to go to the club shop first.
Yes, no.
Dad,
Having a drink.
Did you know when coach comes? Can I just run down and get
yeah, I
some
want
pictures?
to know.
No, that ain't going anywhere, lad.
Can I?
We'll see what happens there.
I'm just asking.
Coach will already be here.
If it is, it's
Till I've been late last year. Yeah, man, we were on early court last year.
If it is, it end up well.
Only
The
one
next
pick, only
station
one
is
drink,
South
please.
Lane. Passengers wishing to leave the train at the next station must be in the front 8 coaches.
There's only.
Need to woman, that's what they're saying.
Do it.
Pre-recorded message, mate. There's a woman sat near this is good. Well, I'll get on this bit today. I can't